In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the design theme in PandaDoc. PandaDoc is a great tool for creating, sharing, and customizing documents, and being able to change the design theme is a great way to make your documents stand out and match your brand's identity or the particular feel you're aiming for. First things first, you'll want to start by going to the PandaDoc website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to PandaDoc's dashboard. This is where all the documents and templates are neatly organized for your access. It's a good idea to log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, you can conveniently find all your documents and templates laid out for you, ready for any changes you might want to make. Next, you need to decide which document or template you like to give a fresh look. Scan through your available options on the dashboard, and once you've made your choice, click on it to open it. At this point, you should have your document or template open and ready for the design overhaul. Now you're ready to look for the design icon. This part is straightforward. In the PandaDoc interface, you'll notice an icon that represents design options. Go ahead and give that icon a click. This will lead you to the theme options where the magic happens. Once you're in the design section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. To change the theme, it's pretty simple. Click on Choose Another Theme. This action opens up a whole range of design themes that you can sift through. Now comes the fun part, picking a theme that suits your needs best. Browse the selection, taking note of the different elements and styles each theme has to offer. Think about your brand's colors, or the purpose of the document when making your choice. Once you find a theme that resonates with you, click on it. Finally, after you've chosen a theme you're happy with, it's time to apply it. Look for the Apply button, which is easily accessible once you've selected a theme. You say, hit that button, and just like that, your document or template will transform with the new design theme. Congratulations, you've successfully changed the design theme in PandaDoc. This process not only helps enhance the visual appeal of your documents, but also ensures that they align perfectly with your needs and preferences. By customizing your templates, you can ensure that you're making the right impression on clients and collaborators every time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials and updates.